I'm gonna start this vehicle. I'm gonna lit it on fire if I have to. I'm just gonna pour some gasoline, just like, yeah. No, we're not gonna do that. Check this out. From all of this thing here, we need only one thing, and that one thing is this pulley right here. Whoop, right there. You see that? This little pulley. This is my third pulley that I've ordered. All of the pulleys that I ordered before that, I was thinking I was wrong, and maybe I was wrong, I don't know. I can reorder them again. But let me show you. So I'm putting this guy here. Once again, no go. No go at all. Trying to flip it. Now this way, now we're like too much out. I rechecked everything. I watched a bunch of YouTube videos, and apparently I was wrong from the beginning. Seems like this is the trend. I was wrong. Maybe I should just start with all my videos. I was wrong and call it a day. I don't know what to tell you guys. It's just getting ridiculous. Start looking, and guess what, guys? This thing right here, this washer or whatever you guys call that thing right there, this thing, when the crash happened, got sucked in all the way in. I don't know if you guys can tell, but right here, you guys see that? So this washer actually needs to come out, further out a little bit. I don't know how much is that, a little bit, but it's enough not to touch in the back. In the same time, when we put the pulley, this thing right here needs to align with this guy right there, because the belt, you know, goes from here, I think from here, through here, through here, through here, and then something like that, something like that. I think so. I assume so. I don't know. I hope so. I'm gonna find out in a little bit as soon as when this thing blows up in my face, because it's ridiculous. Yeah, so I need to pull this thing out. So I went to my local AutoZone and I looked for a pulley puller. The guy was like, "You need a pulley puller, or like, what do you need?" I'm like, "Yeah, I need a pulley puller so I can pull my pulley out of the puller from the pump." I think. After looking through their list of tools, I ended up with this guy right there. It's a light truck Hitman arm puller, number 57170. If you guys end up doing that, I hope you guys don't ever need to do that, because if you guys are doing that, I mean you guys are having a crash vehicle like me, which is not bad, I guess. I don't know, it depends what you guys want. This is the tool right here. The idea is coming right here, putting it like that, grabbing it on the side and pulling it out, and then see what happens. And I hope that the pump is actually not broken, because if it is, then I have to buy a new one, and then doing all of that was a waste of time. And yeah, Naku BMW Naku, I'm telling you, not cool. Without further ado, let's do this, and let's hope. By the end of this video, we're gonna start this vehicle. Hoping. Let's do it. No! I don't know what to tell you guys. I really don't. This should have been just like walk in the park, you know? Just keep walking in the park. But no. Now I'm gonna have to remove it, and I need to order a new one. And again, I'm not gonna be able to start the vehicle today. This little thing is driving me nuts for more than a week. I don't know. I don't know how that thing got pushed in and it didn't break or whatnot. So let me show. This is the original one, or at least what's left, you know, from it. So I have only this little edge right here, you know, from the back. So when we put it in, just like that, and you guys can see it's spinning freely for right now, so it's all good. But then when it gets to over here, it's rubbing right here. So for sure I'm right, because the new pump that I ordered on the pictures, this washer, it's like way in front over here. It's not that tight to the back. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you guys. Sucks to be me. Once again, sucks to be me. I am so upset right now. You guys have no idea. Let's go down on the list. On that list right there, that I haven't even started it. Next thing is to fix the ground right here for the coolant pump. To be able to do that, we need a new wire. I have these guys right here, and comparing the wires, this guy here seems to be a bigger guy, so it seems like I need to figure something else. This is gonna fit here, seems like it, but I just can't win. I don't know what to tell you guys. Every single set, there is a one thing or another, but I'm gonna do it. I'm telling you, I'm gonna do it. Let's see. Next thing, I know what it's gonna be. The next thing is gonna be the 2 airbags. I would like to change those real quick. So for the purpose, I have this little pile, not the compressor, but this box, this guy, yep. I have all of that. One of these guys should be the airbag. Yep, right here. Woohoo! Let's hope that this is the right one, because if it's not, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. So I have this airbag for the steering, and then check this out. The crazy thing is, I called BMW. I called BMW for the airbag underneath the dashboard. The knee airbag, which is this puppy right here. I give them this number over here. Can you guys see? If you guys have it, then what's the price? He's like, well, we don't have it. There is not even showing on the computer. I'm like, what are you guys talking about? I have it. Obviously blew up on my end, and the guy was like, yeah, but I don't have it on my end. So yeah, I'm gonna try to give me a different number. Try to give him a different number. No dice. After keep looking online, I found it. Once again, eBay special. So brought me this puppy right here. There we go. I had to transfer this guy right here. I kind of glue it down with some silicone. See, might come out, might come out. I glue this puppy here. So now we have this guy. So the weirdest thing is, apparently with this model, the 93 model 335i convertible, I think I looked online or maybe a video or something, where someone said that the knee airbag is a requirement for the European Union. The American version doesn't have a knee airbag. So I don't know how or what or why my vehicle has an airbag. I still haven't done the Carfax history, which I'm planning to do, just to see what's the history and all the vehicle. But yeah, and which owner I am. But somehow magically I have a knee airbag. I think it's American version vehicle. I don't know what to tell you guys. It's getting weirder and weirder. For the next thing is to remove this bad boy, and then coming down here we have all of these wires. So this is aftermarket parking assist sensors. I have these guys right here, these guys, these guys, and these guys, and no good. Those are super ugly, and no, it's not gonna work. That being said, we need to come down here and clean this mess. So that needs to be removed. I'm pretty sure coming to the front, these wires are my sensors. I'm sure. I'm gonna find out in a little bit. Then putting the new airbag, cleaning all of that mess right there. Again guys, sorry that we didn't start the vehicle. I'm super sad as well. To be able to remove this guy right here, actually this guy right here, there is a hole right in there. You see that? That little dimple right there. We're gonna insert this screwdriver, and there you go. That should be able to release the spring. There is one more on the other side, so let's see if that's gonna work or not. Side is good, and this side is good. Oh yeah, should be easy peasy, lemon squeezy. This black connector needs to come out to be able to push all of that, but we're gonna do it. Woo! Short way. Hopefully, in the meantime, we don't end up stabbing ourselves. You guys need to leave these tabs out. So yeah. So there you guys have it. This guy is out. And the new guy. New guy comes with all of the wiring. But for me, I'm not planning to change all of that. So this time, I'm gonna pop these guys the right way. Right here. You guys gonna get your screwdriver right there. Boom, boom. This guy. Boom, boom. And this comes out super easy. Now we're gonna plug this guy right there. I believe it's like that. Two. Beep 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 beep. Okay guys, another success. This is how you guys can swap the airbag. Oh yeah, it's getting there. Please guys, don't forget to smash the like button because that really helps the channel to grow. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because if you guys like this video, you guys will like more of my videos. It's pretty simple. Subscribe to my channel. And don't forget guys, if I can do it, you guys can do it. So without further ado, I'll see you on the next one. Ciao!